Hey there! In today's video we'll be showing you how to make an easy chocolate mousse. You will need 150 grams of chocolate, 4 eggs, and 250 ml of whipped cream. Now once you've got everything ready, start off with the eggs. Separate the egg whites from the egg yolks and set aside. In a clean bowl, whip the egg whites into stiff peaks using an electric mixer. Then in another bowl, melt the chocolate in the microwave in 30-second intervals. Make sure you stir the chocolate after every interval. Once it's melted, set the chocolate aside and let it cool for 2 minutes. Next, mix the egg yolks into the melted chocolate. Once that is done, take 1 large spoonful of the whipped cream and mix it into the chocolate mixture to loosen it. Once the chocolate and egg yolk mixture is a smoother consistency, gently fold it into the rest of the whipped cream. Once the chocolate and cream is combined, gently fold in the beaten egg whites, making sure not to lose any of the air. Great! So now you just need to divide the mixture between 2 serving glasses and leave to set in the fridge for at least an hour.